Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability.
Fortescue is redefining the industrial hydrogen landscape with its groundbreaking Fortescue Hydrogen Systems P50, a powerful electrolyzer solution designed to meet the immense demands of the global energy transition. As the world intensifies its efforts toward decarbonization, Fortescue emerges as a global leader by delivering scalable, efficient, and cost-effective green hydrogen systems tailored for hard-to-abate industries such as shipping, aviation, ammonia, and steel production. Through its innovative technology and global infrastructure, Fortescue is enabling the large-scale adoption of green hydrogen in ways previously thought unattainable. At the heart of the FHS P50 system is a scalable 1 MW proton exchange membrane PEM electrolyzer stack, a cutting-edge component engineered to convert water and renewable electricity into clean hydrogen at a massive scale. This stack forms the backbone of a larger 50 MW integrated system, optimized to function as a unified high-capacity hydrogen generation unit. What sets Fortescue apart is its modular architecture, allowing for incremental deployment while supporting growth into gigawatt-scale operations as market demands evolve. The P50 represents a critical step toward enabling commercial-scale green hydrogen production that aligns with industrial needs. One of the most impressive features of the FHS P50 is its ability to produce up to 24,000 kilograms of hydrogen per day. This level of output makes it highly suitable for energy-intensive sectors that are under increasing pressure to reduce their carbon footprints. Additionally, the system operates within a dynamic range of 10% to 100%. Providing users with the flexibility to respond to fluctuating energy inputs or demand cycles. Its hydrogen purity level of 99.96%, achieved without the need for additional purification, underscores Fortescue's emphasis on performance excellence and operational simplicity. Speed and efficiency are equally notable in the P50's design. With a cold start ramp-up time of less than 3 minutes, the system can respond rapidly to startup demands or grid fluctuations, a critical advantage for operations integrated with intermittent renewable energy sources like wind and solar. This responsiveness, paired with the ability to modulate output based on energy availability, positions the FHS P50 as a prime candidate for grid balancing, load shifting, and energy storage applications, in addition to direct industrial use. In terms of energy consumption, the P50 demonstrates excellent efficiency, requiring approximately 58 kilowatt-hours to produce 1 kilogram of hydrogen. While green hydrogen production still faces economic challenges, Fortescue's focus on optimizing system performance and operational costs contributes significantly to reducing the levelized cost of hydrogen LCOH. Through advanced design and integrated balance of system technologies, Fortescue offers a pathway to commercially viable green hydrogen, supporting both early adopters and large-scale developers. Safety and compliance are non-negotiable when it comes to deploying hydrogen systems at scale, and Fortescue delivers on these fronts with full third-party certification. The P50 is independently certified by TÜV Rheinland and Intertek, two globally recognized organizations that specialize in safety and quality assurance. These certifications reflect Fortescue's rigorous commitment to international standards and provide customers with the confidence that their systems will perform reliably and safely under real-world conditions. Beyond the hardware, Fortescue's strength lies in its global presence and commitment to long-term partnerships. With operational hubs, manufacturing centers, and R&D teams spread across key markets, the company offers localized expertise and logistical support throughout the entire project lifecycle. Whether you're deploying a hydrogen system in a coastal shipping terminal or a remote mining facility, Fortescue brings the expertise and infrastructure to ensure success. This global footprint also allows for accelerated production timelines, reduced transportation costs, and responsive maintenance and servicing capabilities. Another advantage of Fortescue's approach is its focus on system integration. Rather than offering isolated electrolyzer units, the FHS P50 is designed as part of a complete end-to-end hydrogen ecosystem. This includes everything from water treatment and power electronics to data analytics and real-time monitoring tools. Fortescue supports clients not only with technology but with system optimization, predictive maintenance, and performance analytics that ensure long-term value and operational excellence. The versatility of the FHS P50 means it can serve a diverse range of applications. In the transport sector, green hydrogen from Fortescue systems can power fuel cell electric trucks, trains, and ships, providing a clean alternative to diesel and marine fuel. In heavy industry, hydrogen can replace fossil fuels in high-heat processes such as steelmaking and chemical synthesis. Even in the power sector, hydrogen is being explored as a long-duration energy storage solution to stabilize grids with high shares of renewable energy. With the FHS P50, Fortescue enables each of these use cases through a common platform that scales as demand grows. The implications of such a system are transformative. Governments around the world are setting bold targets for hydrogen adoption, and the availability of industrial-scale solutions like the P50 makes it possible to meet those targets with real, proven technology. Fortescue's ability to deliver large volumes of green hydrogen reliably and cost-effectively will accelerate decarbonization across some of the world's most polluting industries, advancing not just corporate ESG goals, but national and international climate objectives as well. Underpinning all of this is Fortescue's vision of a net-zero future. The company is not simply a supplier of hydrogen systems. It is a driving force in the global transition to sustainable energy. Through continuous investment in R&D, close collaboration with industry leaders, and a mission to decarbonize its own operations, Fortescue exemplifies what it means to lead by example. The development of technologies like the FHS P50 reflects this vision: practical, scalable, and impactful solutions that push the boundaries of what's possible in clean energy. In conclusion, the Fortescue Hydrogen Systems P50 is more than a technological breakthrough. It's a strategic enabler of the green economy. With its powerful performance metrics, flexible operation, rapid deployment potential, and certified safety, the P50 is built to meet the urgent needs of a planet in transition. As industries seek to decarbonize and embrace cleaner energy solutions, Fortescue offers a bold and reliable pathway forward. Whether you're planning a hydrogen hub, electrifying your logistics, or transforming your manufacturing processes, the FHS P50 is the scalable, future-ready solution to help you achieve your sustainability goals.
Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode and